This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Lovely, Key West style, 2-bedroom and 1-bath, fully furnished, maintenance-free home in historic Braden Castle Park with access to Manatee and Braden Rivers. This home is updated throughout, including newer pinewood flooring, beadboard maple kitchen cabinets with granite countertops, custom built-in cabinets, vaulted ceilings, and a climate-controlled attic. The electrical, plumbing, AC, appliances, and roof are all newer as well. Every inch of this home has been methodically thought out for use and storage. The neighborhood is vibrant and active, with a full calendar of events. Play horseshoes, shuffleboard, or enjoy the recreation center. The community's real secret is the access to the rivers. You can fish from the 700-foot-long pier or venture out on your own boat. On-site dry docks, slip rental and a private boat launch will allow you to keep your boat $214 per year, maximum of 24 FT boat. Fish the rivers or be in the Gulf within minutes. Easy access to I-75, beaches, shopping, and much more. 55+ community, no pets allowed in the community. https://www.bradencastlepark.com/p/castle ruins for more information. Review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.